Hello, hello. How are you? Thank you for stopping by. Hey, listen, do you want to learn how to make money online? $100, $300 to $1,500 or more, much more. Well, it's possible. Maybe it's your first time to hear about the possibility of making money online and you are thinking, let me try it. Maybe you have heard about it. You thought you would try it, but you never took action. Maybe you have tried, you have failed. Worse still, you have lost money. You are frustrated, confused, and are beginning to think that it's harder than you thought. Well, my friend, the good news is making money online is not hard. With the right tools, proper guidance, and training, you can start making money online in as little as 14 days. And guess what? It's a secret. I've got a gift for you. What is it? It's a training, a step-by-step guided training that will take you from knowing nothing to making money online to making your first commission online in just about 14 days. Imagine that, 14 days flat. And I want to give it to you for free. My friend, no credit card, no obligations, just a gift from me to you. How would you like to have that? Well, if you are interested, put your email below, press the button, sign in, and let me lead you to where you will get access to this training 100% free. See you on the other side.